Student, today we are going to learn what is pace and its uses, what is pace machine and its function and uses. This is the introduction of pace machine. This is a hand pace or ball pace machine, manually operated. Pace machine may be power operated. Now, what is pace? Pace is a metal forming machine tools designed to shape or cut metal by applying mechanical force or pressure. Pace metal forming machine tools used for most cold working operations to shape the metal, mainly sheet metal, by applying mechanical or hydraulic pressure. The machine, pace machine, consists of bed, frame, ram, a source of power, may be hand operated, and a mechanism to move the ram. Now, uses of pace machine. Number one, it is used where metal is formed to desired shape without removal of chips. Number two, it is used for mass production work. Number three, it represents the fastest and most efficient way to form a sheet metal into desired product. Very fast work is very fast and most efficient. In pace machine can perform many operations such as piercing, blanking, shearing, stamping, bending, forming operation, embossing operation, coining operation, etc. Okay, this is the introduction of pace machine. Thank you.